Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add alerts in OBS. To add alerts in OBS Studio, you generally use third-party services or tools to create alerts for events such as new followers, donations, or other notifications. So here's a step-by-step guide to adding alerts using a popular service like Streamlabs or Stream Elements. The first thing you need to do is to head over to Streamlabs. So go to Streamlabs and create an account or log in if you have an existing account. Navigate to the alert box section in Streamlabs dashboard. Customize your alert settings for various events like new followers, donations, and subscriptions. You can also adjust the appearance, sounds, and animations. Once you set up your alerts, Streamlabs will provide a widget URL. Don't forget to copy this URL and keep it safe. Once you're done copying it, launch OBS Studio on your computer, which I have done. In the Sources panel, of course, after selecting a scene or creating a new one by clicking on this plus icon. So after selecting your scene, click on the Sources panel, click on the plus icon, and click on Browser. Select the browser. Okay, go ahead and name the browser. You have to rename this browser. After renaming the browser, it could be alert. So let's leave that as alert. Now click on OK. So let's say this is the alert that I got. Now in the properties window, paste the Streamlabs widget URL that you copied into the URL field, which is here. Then set the width and the height to match the dimensions recommended by Streamlabs, usually 800 times 600 or as specified in the Streamlabs setup. Once you're done, go ahead and click on OK. Then go back to your Streamlabs dashboard and set the alerts to ensure they appear correctly in OBS. Head over to the preview window and resize or reposition the alert to wherever you want it to be. If you're using Stream Elements, go to Stream Elements and create an account or login. In the Stream Elements dashboard, navigate to the alert box section, customize the alert for various events, and save your settings. Stream Elements will provide a widget URL for the alert. Copy the URL and follow the same process. Head over to OBS and the Sources panel, click on the plus icon, click on Browser, name your source, click on OK, and then paste the Stream Elements widget URL in URL field. Set the width and the height to the recommended dimension. Click OK. Test the alert from the Stream Element dashboard to ensure they display correctly in OBS. I'd like to give some additional tips. Of course, don't forget to click on Transition and click on the lock icon to avoid mistakenly repositioning it. Here are additional tips. Both Streamlabs and Stream Elements offer extensive customization options for the appearance and behavior of your alert. So adjust the position and size of the browser source in OBS to fit your stream layout. You can go over to the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.